Welcome to this guide on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. These are the two largest and most well-known cryptocurrencies in the world. While they may seem similar at first glance, they were designed with very different purposes in mind. Bitcoin, represented by the symbol BTC, focuses on being a digital currency. Ethereum, on the other hand, goes beyond just being a currency and serves as a platform for building applications. In this video, we'll explore the key differences between these two blockchain technologies, helping you understand how they differ in purpose, technology, and real-world applications. Let's start with the fundamental question: what were Bitcoin and Ethereum actually created to do? Bitcoin was launched in 2009 as the world's first cryptocurrency. Its primary purpose is to function as a digital currency that allows people to send and receive money directly without needing a bank or payment processor. Many people also view Bitcoin as a store of value, often calling it digital gold, because like gold, it has a limited supply. Ethereum, which came later in 2015, was designed with a broader vision. While it does have its own cryptocurrency called Ether, Ethereum's main purpose is to serve as a decentralized platform where developers can build and run smart contracts and distributed applications. Think of Bitcoin as digital money and Ethereum as a programmable computer that anyone can use. The way Bitcoin and Ethereum verify and secure transactions on their networks is fundamentally different. Bitcoin uses a consensus mechanism called proof of work. In this system, miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain and receives newly created bitcoins as a reward. This process requires enormous amounts of computing power and electricity. Ethereum originally used proof of work as well, but in 2022, it transitioned to a system called proof of stake. In proof of stake, validators lock up or stake their Ether as collateral to validate transactions and create new blocks. This method is much more energy efficient than proof of work and allows the network to process transactions more quickly while maintaining security. Another major difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum is how many coins can exist. Bitcoin has a fixed supply cap of 21 million coins. This means that only 21 million Bitcoins will ever be created, with the last one expected to be mined around the year 2140. This scarcity is one reason why many people view Bitcoin as similar to precious metals like gold. Ethereum takes a different approach. There is no maximum cap on the total supply of Ether. Instead, Ethereum has a controlled issuance rate that regulates how many new Ether tokens are created over time. This unlimited supply model allows Ethereum to maintain flexibility as the network evolves and grows, though it does mean that Ether functions differently as a store of value compared to Bitcoin. When it comes to how fast transactions are processed, there's a clear difference between these two networks. Bitcoin processes transactions relatively slowly. It takes approximately 10 minutes to add a new block of transactions to the Bitcoin blockchain, and the network can handle around 7 transactions per second. This slower speed is partly by design, as it prioritizes security and decentralization over speed. Ethereum processes transactions much faster. A new block is added to the Ethereum blockchain approximately every 12 seconds, and the network can handle between 15 and 30 transactions per second, depending on network conditions. This faster transaction speed makes Ethereum better suited for applications that require quick confirmations, such as decentralized finance platforms and gaming applications. Perhaps the most significant technical difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum is their support for smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing programs that automatically carry out actions when certain conditions are met, without requiring any middleman. Bitcoin does have a basic scripting language that allows for some simple programmable transactions, but its capabilities are intentionally limited. Bitcoin's scripting is designed primarily for straightforward financial transactions and basic security features. Ethereum, however, was specifically built to support sophisticated smart contracts. It uses a Turing-complete programming language, which means developers can create virtually any type of application or agreement they can imagine. This allows for complex decentralized applications, from financial services to supply chain tracking to digital art marketplaces. This programmability is what makes Ethereum such a powerful and versatile platform. Given their different designs, Bitcoin and Ethereum are used for different purposes in the real world. Bitcoin's primary use cases revolve around its function as money. Many people hold Bitcoin as a store of value, treating it like digital gold that may appreciate over time and protect against inflation. Bitcoin is also used for peer-to-peer payments, allowing people to send money directly to each other anywhere in the world. Additionally, Bitcoin is popular for cross-border transactions because it can move value across international borders without traditional banking systems. Ethereum's use cases are more diverse due to its smart contract capabilities. It powers the rapidly growing world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, where people can lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest without traditional banks. Ethereum is also the primary blockchain for NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, which represent ownership of unique digital items. Beyond these, thousands of decentralized applications run on Ethereum, covering everything from gaming to social media to identity verification. Let's recap the key differences between Bitcoin and Ethereum. First, Bitcoin focuses on being a decentralized digital currency and a store of value, functioning primarily as a peer-to-peer payment system and digital gold. Second, Ethereum enables programmable smart contracts and decentralized applications, making it a platform for building entire ecosystems of services. Third, they use different consensus mechanisms that optimize for different goals. Bitcoin's proof of work prioritizes security and decentralization, while Ethereum's proof of stake emphasizes energy efficiency and scalability. Finally, both serve distinct but complementary roles in the blockchain ecosystem. Bitcoin excels as a monetary asset, while Ethereum excels as a programmable platform. When choosing between them or deciding to use either, the decision should be based on your specific use case requirements. Understanding these differences helps you appreciate how each technology contributes uniquely to the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.